So there are a lot of videos out there about how to use Google Slides or PowerPoint for presentations. However, I'm going to make a very easy one for you to use, and I'll try to keep it simple as well. So say it's easier for ESL students to use. We'll just go over the basics. So of course, if you are going to use Google Slides, you want to go here to the waffle in the upper right corner. You have a lot of different Google products here. You're going to go down to Slides. You can also use your iPad or you can even use your phone, doesn't matter. Of course, you want to start a blank presentation there. And then you can choose one of these templates. This is a new feature. I'm going to, let's keep going. I want to do something really simple. Let's keep going. Oh, okay, let's do lesson classic. That one's easy. Okay, so, oops, it's too many. Okay, so let's do, I think we're going to do 6. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, actually, let's go back here. Okay, so I've got the title. We can skip table of contents, and then we'll do maybe 6 of these. Okay, so what is my title? So I'm going to go to the one that I created for you. Okay, so title is My English Journey. Okay, so let's change this. You can do whatever you want, but I'm just going to show you the really simple way to do it. Okay, My English Journey, and then of course, what's my name? Chris Kowalczyk. What's the class? ESL 306. And then the date of submission, I think it's August 3rd, 2025. Okay, so that's fine. I mean, you can redo this in different ways if you want. You can do it like this. That's fine. If you want to stretch this out a little bit, make it in one line, that's okay too. You can move this up. However you want to do it. I'm just showing you an easy way. Okay, actually we can center this. Okay, I like this version. Okay, so now I've got the first one, right? Actually, we don't even need these. Let's get rid of those. Okay. So what's the first slide? First slide is what I'm proud of. Okay, so what I'm proud of. Okay, so that's going to be my first slide title, and then I'm just going to put the information here. I can actually just copy, that's fine. So if I'm writing it on a document, then I can just go ahead and copy it. Now this is too small, so of course let's make sure to resize it. How about 24? That's too big. Let's go with 18. I think 18 is okay. Actually, no, let's type it out. My writing flows better now. I don't. So you could copy and paste it, but I just wanted to type it out here. And then I feel more confident. I feel more confident organizing my ideas. Okay, so I think that's perfectly fine here. Now, of course, I want to change the image because this doesn't make sense for this topic. So let's do, okay, so a notebook, pen, anything related to learning or writing would be good. So I'm going to find an image related to writing. It could be anything. I like cats. Everybody knows I love cats. So let's choose something with cats. Maybe something that's a little bit more vertical. Oh, that's fine. Okay, I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to download. You can copy it and then just paste it in here. You can do that. Or you can download it. So I'm going to save image. And I'm going to save it cat keyboard. I'm going to save it to the desktop. Okay. Now I'm going to replace this image with something from the computer. See? Look at that. Nice, right? So easy. Actually, maybe I should my English journey. Okay, so I'm going to replace that there. And then what I'm proud of. Okay, let's do the next one. So the next one is going to be what helped me. Okay, so I'm just going to do the same thing. What helped me. And then I'm going to have the text here. I'm going to rewrite it. I can copy and paste it, but I'm just going to rewrite it here. Rewriting after feedback really helped. ChatGPT showed me how to correct grammar. Improve grammar, sorry. And then I also learned a lot from class discussions. Okay, great. Then I can, again, my English journey. You don't need to worry about this title up here, heading, but I'm just going to do that anyway. So another thing you can do is you don't have to look for an image yourself. If you just do replace image here, you can do stock and web. And then I can do, again, let's see, cats talking. You know I love cats. So let's see if they can find any. I don't like those. Oh, maybe a GIF? Yeah, we can do a GIF. Cats writing. Let's see if there's anything like that. Oh, this is a good one. Ay, ay, ay. See? So I can even use a GIF there, and that's hilarious, right? Okay, and then I can go and continue. I don't have to do all of them. Okay, but you can replace all of these. And if you don't need them, you can just delete them as well. Okay, so that's basically it. I've showed you how you can put images in, how you could find your own images, and also how to replace the text. You can also resize it. So if you feel that's too small, of course, you can resize it. Let's try 36. And then here, let's try 24. I think that's fine as well. It's a little bit bigger than I'd like. Actually, no, that's not bad. Yeah, and Google Slides, I haven't used Google Slides in like a year, and I've noticed that it's improved a lot as well. So there's definitely a lot more features now with Google Slides, so that's good for you. Yeah, maybe a little bit bigger is good here. And then, of course, I can preview the slides as well. See? This looks amazing. Okay, so if you want to do more advanced features, check out the other video that I provided, or you can search for your own video tutorials online. But I'm pretty sure you'll be fine with just the basics. And maybe I should show you one more thing here. This is pretty small, so let's get that a little bit bigger. So if you wanted to do the headings, you can make that a little bit bigger. There's, of course, a lot more advanced things you can do with Google Slides or PowerPoint, but we don't need to do that. We just want to get the basics here. There we go. Yeah, it looks great, right? Amazing.